Today we are going to discuss about how to create a squeeze page and Aweber integration with Leadpages. Click on the link which is in the description to create a squeeze page for free and follow along my video. So this diagram shows how the squeeze page works with the email marketing software service. When a lead enters their name and email address, it will be sent to Aweber form and then finally it is stored in the list. Here we are using the Aweber as the email marketing software and Leadpages for creating the squeeze page. In digital marketing, a landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing or advertising campaign. It is where a visitor lands after they click on a link in an email and ads from Google, Bing, YouTube, or Facebook. Steps involving in creating a squeeze page. First, we need to create a squeeze page in Leadpages, create a list in Aweber, create a form in Aweber, create a thank you on lead magnet page in Leadpages, and finally we need to integrate Leadpages with Aweber. Let me show you how to do it. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page and you can click on try it for free. Here there are two types of plan available. One is for monthly and one is for annual. I recommend the Pro plan. For maximum saving, it is better to use the annual billing method. And once you select, you can click on start free trial. In this form, you need to fill the details like first name, email address, and the password. Click on continue. Here, you need to select your payment method, credit card or PayPal. After the trial ends, you are free to do cancellation at any time. So the 14 days is completely free, no charge. Then you can click on start my trial. Once you log in, you can see this first page. There are many templates available. So this is desktop and mobile preview, how it will look on desktop and mobile. You can choose any template based on your requirement. All these are sorted by conversion rate. In type, if you click, you can see all the types of pages. Thank you page, author page, checkout, event page, webinar or virtual event page. Here you can see the options like account setting, billing. You also can go for the tab sites. It is useful if you are going to create a site. This is a lead magnet page. If you are going to send the lead magnet by uploading the file, here you can do it. In the later part of this video, I will show you how to create the lead magnet page as well. So now we are going to create the squeeze page. So we are selecting the landing pages tab and create new landing page. So this is also one of the template. If you want, you can use this template. Now I am going to use the one which is called Mega Submit Lead Magnet Page template. So you can click on use this template. Leadpages has its own 24/7 chat support. If you have any issue or question, you can check with them using this chat. In later part of this video, I will show you this as well, how to get their help. So, based on their working time only, the chat support is available. I am going to give the page name here and click on continue. I have given as AM lead magnet page. So now we are going to edit our squeeze page. As I am going to give a free video course, I am just giving the title as free course. And this video course is all about affiliate marketing blogging setup. You can change the type here and the font and its size. Now I have given the text as learn how to set up your affiliate marketing blog. You can adjust the size. If you want to remove these, you are free to do. So I am removing these sections. Here I am changing the text based on my requirement. So I'm typing it's a step-by-step video course. You can position your image as well. I'm removing the existing text. Based on your requirement, you can edit however you want. To edit the text in the button, just click on it and change the text. So I am typing as get access now. Next we are going to remove this and I'm gonna change the image. Just click on the edit image, then click on this icon to upload the image which we designed already. Insert. Now we change the image. we are going to edit the pop-up. Click on edit pop-up. So this is what the actual form to get leads, email and name. Now I am changing the button text to send me. Here I can see only the email field. If you want to add, go to the fields tab and you can add whichever you want, whether city or last name, phone number, anything. But for normally, for the squeeze pages, first name and email is more than enough. Few people prefer to use only the email field for the better conversion. Here also I am just changing the image. If you want to change the privacy policy text, you can free to do so. Here you can see the lot of widgets. Just I am clicking on preview to see how it looks. If you want to publish, you can publish, but now I am checking how it will be responsive in mobile and tab. Click on the publish button. So it is asking the subdomain. You can give your domain name here. This page is going to be in Leadpages domain. If you want to keep in your own domain, you can do so. In later part, I'll show you how to do it. Now I am giving my own domain name as a subdomain here, and click on save. So now we are going to publish. If you want to change the slug, you can do so. Now I am changing the slug. It says slug is invalid because it won't allow empty spaces. Click on publish. Here you can see it has Leadpages domain at the end, which means currently our squeeze page is in Leadpages domain. We have just used our own domain name as a subdomain. Copy the URL. If you want to have redirect this URL, you can configure. And also, as I told earlier, you can use the WordPress plugin for landing pages to have your squeeze page in your own domain instead of Leadpages 1. I am just downloading the plugin to install it. So this is what the plugin for Leadpages. Now I am going to my website. log into WordPress dashboard. Once you log in, go to plugins, add new. Click on upload plugin, browse. First copy the location where we downloaded the plugin. Select the plugin zip file. And if you come down, you can see the option as install now. Click on it. Now WordPress is installing Leadpages plugin. Now we successfully install the plugin. Activate the plugin. Once you activate it, now you can see an option for Leadpages. Click on it. Please subscribe my channel if you are not already subscribed. Okay, once we click on the Leadpages, it is asking for the email address and password which we use it for Leadpages login. So once we sign in, now we don't see any squeeze page here which we created because we need to add it. So before adding, I'd like to show how their live support works. So now I'm checking with them for demo purpose how to integrate Leadpages with Aweber. Please give us a like if you like our video. So Leadpages has a good customer care support. So immediately they are responding to my query. So now I trying to manually connect to your domain, but it is only useful if you have a fresh domain because it will delete all your content. So it is not recommended to do in this way. Later I will show you how to do it. Now they responded with the article how to integrate Leadpages with Aweber. So these are all our landing pages. I'm going to edit the page which I have created just now, because now we are going to integrate our lead page with Aweber. Just click on the setting. There you can see SEO options. Now we are not going to do anything with it. and also you can see the styles, font style, page, background, all those things, the widgets. You can add any widget if you want, and also you can use this about us page if you would like to add one. Okay, for integration, first click on the edit pop-up and edit integration. This is where we need to integrate our lead page. By default, it will have lead notification. Lead notification is nothing but it will, whenever the lead subscribe, it will send a notification to your email which you used. Click on more services, click on Aweber, and now we are going to connect Aweber account. Use your login name and password and click on allow access. Okay, now we successfully connected our Aweber account with Leadpages. If you click on refresh list, it will show the list from Aweber. You can select one because, as I told earlier, the data will be finally stored in the list. If you use just the lead notification, it won't store anywhere. It will just send the notification to you with the information. Click on save once you select the list. Now you can free to delete the notification. Before adding a account, you cannot delete it. Now we already added Aweber, so now we can delete the old one, that is lead notification. Now click on next. Now I am going to add another field to our form. Once you add the field, click on done. Now click on actions. So now where we are going to send the visitor once they submit their form. Now I am going to log into Aweber. If you don't have any list, first you need to create a list. So click on create a list and give a name for it. I have given as blogging video course list and the description, and save all settings. In notification section, you can give your email address to get notified when a subscriber joins in your list. You also can specify name, but it's an optional thing. And click on add. Again, save all setting as we have dated. The next thing is personalize your list. Here you can update your company name. Rest of the thing you can ignore. In the confirmation message, it is actually a double opt-in. It is not recommended. It's already by default, it is in disabled state. And also you can request Aweber to deactivate this double opt-in. because normally the visitor won't like double opt-in, so it is not recommended. If you want, you can customize this. You can change the subject line, language, and the message preview. If you want to edit any settings, you need to come here in list settings, then you can edit the setting even after you creating your list. Let's see, if you want to enable double opt-in, you can click on this to enable it. As now I am not going to enable it, I am just disabling. This is confirmation success page. In Aweber we no need to do this because we will be configuring this in our lead pages. Custom success page in the sense, once the subscriber subscribe, where you want to take them to. Please make sure to save all your settings whenever you update anything in the configuration. Now we created the list as I told earlier. Now we need to create the form. This form is related to our active list. You can see it, blogging video course list, because this is associated with that list. Here you can simply create a form because we are not going to show this form to the lead or visitor, so we can simply have the default form, whichever is okay for you. But we need to make sure it should have the identical field as your lead pages form. Now we are going to give a name for our form. I am giving us blog making video course form. The other settings you no need to change anything. You can keep as it is. Because we are using this form just to transfer the data from the lead pages to Aweber. Now click on go to step 3. Here you can see options like I will install my form, my web designer will install my form, use my form as a landing page, all these options. Now we are going to change the list because recently we have created a new list for this integration. So go to the integration, click on the Aweber account. You can refresh the list. If you don't refresh, you cannot see the newly created list. Once you click on refresh list, now you can see the newly created list with our form. See, now you can see blogging video course list. Select the list which we created recently. Click on Save button. If you want to change your name for the form, you also can update it. See here, these are the list currently our Aweber account has. Please subscribe to my channel and click on update. So instead of sending the visitor to default landing page, we can create a lead magnet and we can send over there. Now I'm going to show you how to create the lead magnet page. Click on this and click on add a new lead magnet. You can click on create new lead magnet. Fill this form. The sender name is yours and your email ID. And the email subject line. As I am going to send them my free video course, I have just given your video course. In the download button text, I am giving watch now. Here you can type the message. I am just giving, here is your video course to start your affiliate marketing blog. Click on Save. So we forgot to upload our files. Now we are uploading our file. Just go to the location where your file is, then upload it. Save. So instead of uploading your file, you also can share the URL if you have the file in your website. Okay, now I am refreshing. Now I can see the lead magnet for our squeeze page. Now click on Save and Close button and update the configuration. Now we got the responses. Your page has been updated. See, now we don't see any landing pages which we created in our WordPress dashboard. So now we need to add it. Click on Add New. Once you click on Add New, it will automatically show the landing pages which we have in our lead pages account. See, this is what the page which we created. AM lead magnet for FBAD. Here, this is our own domain. It is not lead pages domain. You also can change the custom slide if you want. So I'm just adding video course in the slide. For performance, I'm selecting this option. So instead of sharing lead pages domain URL, you can use our own domain URL in all your campaigns. Then click on publish. Please give us a like and comment. Now it has been published. See, this is the new URL for the landing page. You can see it doesn't have any lead page domain. Now I'm just checking the URL. Enter the URL. So this is for our SKUs page. Once we click on it, it will prompt the form. There I'm just entering my email ID and name. Click on send me. Now it is showing the default thank you page. If you want to have your custom thank you page, you also can do it. Now go and check the subscribers, whether it has been added or not. See, now it has been added, but it is showing confirmation is pending, because if you use API, which means like lead pages software something, automatically it will take double opt-in as a default. Now we have received the email. When I click on watch now button, it is showing download option. So now I am downloading the file which we used for lead magnet opt-in. So whenever you create a squeeze page, you please always test it. Now I am going to create my own thank you page. Just search for thank you pages. Select the template which you like. I'm just checking this one, the basic. thank you page. I'm going to use this. Give a name for the thank you page. Please subscribe to my channel. Now I have given the page name as blog making video course thank you page. Click on continue. Here just I'm updating this text. Because the default thank you page didn't say anything except the thanks, so I am updating this as check your inbox for your video course. So this is the URL for the publishing your thank you page. Click on publish. I'm going to have this thank you page on Leadpage domain. I'm not going to add this to my own domain. If you want to add, you can just do it. Click on edit pop-up here and edit integration, because this is where we can change the thank you page from default to custom one. So I'm going to use the external URL, which means just now we have created our own thank you page. Update it, save and close. That's it guys for today's. Thanks for watching.